Oh, hi there again everyone. Spoiling myself and you today. Another quick taste test, folks. This is from Pantri Cymreig. And this is the Welsh Pantry. Wholesome flavour, quality savoury food. This is the corned beef pasty. Potato, corned beef and onion wrapped in puff pastry. Simple as that. And that's it. And it's 79 pence. From, where did I get it? B&M's. The ingredients are wheat flour, calcium carbonate, iron and niacin, potato 22%, corned beef 11%, water 9%, margarine, rapeseed oil, water, salt, dextrose, rapeseed oil, dried potato, flour treatment agent, salt, ground white pepper and sage. And this is allergy warnings are for wheat and milk. The nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. Right folks, I'll just cut it in half and then I'll show you what we're playing with. Oh yes, this is 79p. From B&M's. So, see what it tastes like. Now folks, the pastry is nice, but there's always a but. It lacks seasoning. There's the filling again. The filling is okay, but it lacks seasoning. Add a little bit. Can't really taste the sage. You taste the white pepper. The addition of salt there has made it so much better. It really has. It's lifted the flavours. There it is folks, 79p from Pantri Cymreig, the Welsh Pantry. Not something that I would buy again, to be honest. I've tried a few of their products and the only one that I've really enjoyed was the cheese and onion one. But I saw this and I thought they can't go wrong with this. But again, it's just another flavourless pasta. When you add salt, it's absolutely fine. The pastry's okay, well cooked but flavourless. The filling is, the corned beef is well cooked, the onions well cooked, but the potatoes remain hard. But what do you expect for 79p, let's be honest. All it needed was the addition of salt to lift those flavours, but because of that reason I won't be buying it again. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody out there. In fact, I wouldn't recommend any of the range from the Welsh Pantry, apart from the cheese and onion slice, which is okay. Right folks, once again I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, please subscribe to the channel. If you're watching, you're not subscribed, click that button, won't cost you a penny. Helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. So as always, my family and friends, I will say to you all, Namaste. Enjoy the rest of the weekend everyone. Bye for now.